A 285 point rally from the low. Yet, most option buyers ended today in a loss. Why? Because the market gave you a move, but it never gave you a trend confirmation. Today, if you were blinded by the green candles on Nifty, you likely fell into a massive trap. Today, I am breaking down the 20 EMA structure and showing you exactly why there was no high probability buy signal in options, despite that massive point range. Let's look at the Nifty and option charts first. First of all, let me hide these candles. Now let's see, as per the 20 EMA trend structure, this is the latest low formed, right? This was the high and this is the low. So currently Nifty is in a bearish trend, right? So till the time this low is not broken, we should not consider this as a new high or this as a new high. Whenever this low is broken, at that time only we can consider that this high is not valid now and there is a new high formation. But only if this particular low is broken. If this low is not broken, then till the time this high is not broken, we will not consider the trend change to the bullish trend. Remember this particular point. Fine. So there was no trend confirmation on Nifty chart. Let's move to the option chart now. One second. Yes. This is 25,650 put option chart. So see here, from start itself, 20 EMA was trending downside, right? So there was no any valid setup formation. See here, right? Now here 20 EMA is below 50 EMA, so there is no point of looking for the setup. Fine. So no trade in case of put options. Now let's move to the call option chart. Yes. See here, what is happening. 20 EMA was below 50 EMA, correct? So there was no confirmation. And also as per our Nifty chart, for the whole day there was no trend change confirmation. That means we cannot take a call option trade. Remember this particular point. If there is no confirmation on Nifty chart, that is there is a trend change happened, that is bearish to bullish, then even if here setup is forming that 20 EMA is above 50 EMA, and if setup is formed, then you should not take a trade, because your main index is saying that Nifty is in a bearish trend, correct? So don't take a trade here. See here, if you would have took a trade here based on the confirmation that is 20 EMA is above 50 EMA and here is a three candle theory formation, then see what happened. Your SL would have got hit, right? You don't get a 2-hour profit, but your SL would have got hit here, correct? So always remember this particular point. If you don't have a trend change confirmation on primary Nifty chart, index chart, then don't look for the opposite side trade in case of options chart. Remember this particular point. So overall, for whole day there was no any trade in case of call option as well as put option. So it was better thing to do that. No setup, no trade. Always remember, sometimes patience is the most important thing and no trade is the best trade. Now, while Nifty was busy trapping option buyers in a volatile range, the real discipline was in stock selection. Since Nifty failed to confirm a bullish trend above the 20 EMA, the smart move wasn't to force a buy, it was a look for weakness elsewhere. Let's shift from the index and look at the bearish setups in stocks, even while the headline index was moving up. Let's move to the stock charts now. I will shift it to the 15-minute time frame for stocks. See here, as Nifty, which is our headline index, saying that there is not still there is no bullish confirmation. So I was looking for bearish trades only. So here, see what happened. First candle, second candle, 2050 EMAs were in downtrend. I took a trade at low of this particular candle. High was my stop loss. I closed this particular trade in small profit at the end of the day. Fine. Now let's move to the next chart. See here, first candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup was formed. 2050 EMA was in downtrend. Mother candle has the highest volume, so I took a trade at low of this candle. High was my stop loss. See what happened. There was no SL in this particular trade, so I exited this particular trade at end of the day, that is 3:14 p.m. in a loss. This was my next trade, that is, see, first candle, second candle, 2050 EMAs are in downtrend. Mother candle red has highest volume, so I took a trade at low of this particular setup. High was my stop loss. At the end of the day, I closed this trade in a small profit. See here, Valor state. First candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup form. Mother candle has highest volume. 50 EMAs are trending down. At low, I took a trade. High was my stop loss. See what happened. In last candle, my SL got hit. But no worries, I have given that particular SL. This was Kalyan Jewelers. First candle, second candle, perfect inside candle setup. 2050 EMAs trending down. Took a trade at low of this candle. High was my stop loss. This candle closed about 20 EMA, so I shifted my SL to high of this particular candle, and my trailed SL got hit here. So I closed this trade in a minor small loss. So overall, it was a small loss day for me in case of actual stock trading. Fine. Trading isn't about catching every moment, it's about catching the right moves. Today, the 20 EMA was a shield that protected capital from a volatile trap. If you struggle today, remember, no confirmation means no trade. If you found this 20 EMA analysis helpful, hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm reach more traders who need to hear this. Comment below, did the 20 EMA save you today or did you get caught in the volatility? Let's discuss. See you tomorrow for Swing Trading Part 2, where we will dive deep into the golden rules of risk management and position sizing. I will be sharing some examples to show you exactly how to size your trades so one bad day never wipes you out. Don't miss it. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you tomorrow. Thank you.